Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR20. I'm just going to put a 0 there so you see it's 0.8. It says find the value of the expression. This is similar to a release state test question. You have to show all work. But the good news is for extended response on the state test, you are allowed a calculator. So I'm going to go through the steps on how to show all work. So here we go. I'm going to simplify this fraction right now. I'm going to keep my -5 on top. I have to get a single value in the denominator here. So -9.5 plus 1.5. You can use your calculator to support you on that if you need. Signs are different. You'll find the difference, keep what you have more of. That actually gets you to a -8. Minus, I keep my minus sign. Here, I'm going to do a step on this fraction too. I'm going to get a single value within the parentheses. So I'm going to keep my 0.8 and I'm going to do one step with this fraction. So I just did one step here. Now I'm going to do one step with this fraction. I'm going to keep my 0.4 in the denominator. 19 plus 11. Again, if you need your calculator, pick up your calculator. 19 plus 11 is 30. But you do need to show all these steps following your order of operations. We're going to get a single value within parentheses first. We're going to get simplified values in all numerators and denominators. So here I have -5 over -8. I'm going to just leave it -5 over -8 minus the operation here in this numerator to get a single value in this numerator, 0.8 times 30. 0.8 times 30. Use your calculator if you need. 0.8 times 30 is 24. And then I keep my 0.4 in the denominator. So although I'm using my calculator, I'm showing every step what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to take -5 over -8. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that's a positive 5/8. I'm going to keep my minus sign, and for the moment I'm going to keep my 24 over 0.4. Now I'm going to do this division. This is 5 divided by 8. Use your calculator. 5 divided by 8 is 0.625 minus 24 divided by 0.4. 24 divided by 0.4 is 60. So now I have 0.625 minus 60. And my final answer, and I'm just going to leave it in decimal form, is -59.375. If you feel the need to change that to a fraction, hit that back and forth arrow on your calculator and then simplify the fraction that you come up with. And you'll find that that answer is -59 3/8. This would be a totally acceptable answer. So you work down the page. You complete one step at a time. You need to get a single value in each numerator and denominator. So that was my first go-to. That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to get a single value in each numerator and denominator so that I could then divide out. And in my last step, I needed to subtract. I hope that helps follow your order of operations.